side, bring this here, everything from the bumper. All right, so got the bumper on.
How can I convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you when I tell you I care? Just cause people.
What's going on, YouTube? KR back here for another video. All right, so all right, it's hot as heck outside. I'm sorry, it's really hot. It's Florida. Yeah, it's getting hot. Hot season's coming. So look, we got the messed up bumper right here. Right, got the messed up bumper. We still got, we still got these lights intact, so we're gonna use them for now. Yeah, we're gonna use that. And we got this, basically this stripped up bumper. Basically, we're gonna take all the good parts off the old bumper and put on the new bumper. So shout out to Mike again, Mike and Brandy. Appreciate you guys. Got me the freaking bumper and the hood. I just need to transfer stuff from the hood to the car. I mean, from the previous old hood to the new hood, so everything will be all good. Yeah, guys, look what happened. Look what happened. Oh yeah, and we're gonna change the radiator support. As you can see, the radiator support is right here. Yeah, right here. This thing. We're gonna change that because it's bent over there. For all the new viewers and old viewers, yeah, this is messed up. So we're gonna bend that back as well. That's what we're gonna do today, and put everything, get the front looking decent. Why you do this to me? Why is Fab? I should have raised the card. So wide fenders. But yeah, guys, look at this. Look at this kit. Man. Look at this freaking kit. Yeesh. Also, my Synergy Racing handbrake is not working. So, I'm gonna fix that. I think I have to bleed the system again. Yeah, because every time I pull this, it's really soft. I got this hardware that I got from them. Shout out to Drift American. Help me out. Leave his thing right here. DriftAmerican.com. That's where you get your drift parts. Okay, that's where I get my drift parts. Get yours there. Now, also we got some goodies coming from Drift American. I can't tell you about that yet. You'll be surprised. So I'm gonna fix the handbrake as well. Get the handbrake working. Get the fitment right. At least maybe probably raise the carb just a little bit more, just so I can drift this thing, because I want to drift the car. I haven't tested out the Wisefab yet. So yeah, I want to go crazy because I want to get the handbrake working first, because I use the handbrake as a safe haven, especially when I'm getting used to angle again. It's not like my 240 where I was already used to freaking angle kit and everything. I just do that thing. I mean, if we go to the old spot, we probably could do that, but I don't know. There's a house there, so. But I digress. All right, so let's get to it. We are going to take this front bumper off and start transferring the parts. Let's get to it. All right, so we got the bumper off. Just got zip ties. Yeah, we're gonna take all this off, clean it all up and everything. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer everything from the bumper, the old bumper, to the new bumper. So that's what we're gonna do here, and then this will be next, and then we'll do the handbrake last. That's easy. All right, let's do it. Alright, you guys, so we took the bumper, or the old bumper, apart. Look at the lip is like 2 pieces right now. So this is crazy. This is like a 2-part thing, and these things have, see, this splitter, the bottom splitter has permanent push pins. So I'm just gonna take those off, probably for AutoZone or something, get some fresh ones, and then just make it removable, instead of having it permanent. And yeah, it's the old bumper, as you can see, all apart, and we got the new bumper. So we're gonna move this to the side, bring this here, fit the lights in, and then flip it around and put the lip on. I'm gonna remove this part. I'm not gonna keep this part. So I'm just gonna put these two on, and that's it. Because when Badusi Fag, when he does the, you know, the bash bar, I want to have a nice jacking point in the front, so that would be in the way.
How can I convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you?
All right, y'all. Y'all, it's hot as heck. I'm getting highlight. I'm hungry right now, so I gotta go eat something. But we put the first splitter on, the first part. Second half is gonna. I need push pins. We gotta go to AutoZone, get push pins, and then get more zip ties. Cause I'm not doing a race sport today. I'm doing it tomorrow. So race sport will be next day, next video. This video is just gonna be the bumper and everything. Put the lights on, turn it on, see how it works, everything, and yeah, and with the splitter and everything. And then tomorrow will be the race sport and the handbrake. Yeah, and the handbrake. Maybe. We'll see. Or I'll just send it without the handbrake. Just go sideways. Skrrr! But yeah, that's what's going on. So let's go do all that stuff real quick. YouTube. So we got the push pins, got the zip ties. Time to go put this bumper on. Let's do it. Let's do it.
We can both see it clear. I can show, I can care. Even when I'm not there, I can show that I'm fair. I can show with no let. I don't want to pretend. I don't want.
So we got the splitter on, got the lights on, fog lights. Even this thing is like scratched up and everything. I got new ones coming in, it's okay. And then we got the freaking splitter on. I'm gonna put it on the car. We're just gonna zip tie it for now since we still gotta replace the radiator support. And we'll do that tomorrow. And then tomorrow will be bolted down completely and it'll still be zip tied on the outside. So, but yeah, we are pretty much almost there. And then those lights come in, we take the bumper off, put the lights on. So, it's the next day. We're gonna install the radiator support. So we get this bumper on completely. And then, you know, yeah, just have all that pretty much set up, and then when the lights come, all I gotta do is take the bumper off, and then just slap the new headlights in, you know. And gotta get wider fenders and get them painted Velocity blue. Put those on, and then the car will be complete. It'll be like a wow, beautiful. It'll be perfect, and I cannot wait. So that will be the last piece of the puzzle: is wider fenders, Velocity blue paint. Maybe paint the whole car. We'll see, depending on what my funds are like. But like I said, that's what we're gonna do. Let's get to it. All right, so first step, you know, you gotta take off the bumper, obviously. Well, I mean, I got everything zip tied, so I'll just cut here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there.
People approaching me. There have been times all alone that I wish I had me somebody. Nobody was close to. Too much on my mind to be tweaking about even calling you back. I even try to avoid you because I don't want to let myself get attacked. I let myself get vulnerable, letting people win just to get stabbed in my back. Me trying to work for the future.
All right. So what we gotta do, we gotta take this off, So 2 bolts here. They look like 10s. Gotta take off. Well, we'll take this off here. This is for actually the headlight. Well, what was part of the headlight. Yeah, so these 2, and then yeah, there's one right here, as you can see, it's on the other side of this. And then basically just take this off, the rear mounts, and then freaking radiator brackets that hold the brackets, take the headlight out, and then just kind of slowly take everything off little by little. Yeah, I'm gonna go through it with you guys, tell you guys what you gotta do and how I did and everything like that, just in case you guys need to change your radiator support. Yeah, that's how you do it. All right, so we got the rear support off, and we got to transfer a few more things, but let me go over what you guys need to take out. Okay, so when you look at the rear support, you want to unplug this. It's one of these, I don't know what sensor this is for, maybe it's a crash sensor or something, I have no idea, but you want to unplug this sensor, unbolt the hood latch, and then take off the actual wire to the latch, and then there's like a clip here, and another clip right here. So just take it off, pop it off, and just let it hang like this. Just let it hang. Do you hang? Oh yeah, look at this bend right here. We gotta bend this thing back. We're gonna heat it up and we're gonna bend it to the new one. So yeah, damn, look at that. Sheesh, I think that shit got messed up. Got crippled here. We gotta straighten this back out. All right, so then you got 2 bolts up here, and then you got 2 bolts here. You got one right here, and then you have one right here. So yeah, let's do that. Same on that side. You gotta take the hood thing off, the hood prop off this. So I have this wood, 5-foot wood holding this 2x4 or 4x4. So yeah, taking that off. Holding the hood, and then yeah, just take the brackets off, and then yeah, just put everything back together. And it's not working. Let me snap it again. Alright y'all, so installed it. The rear support, it's looking good, everything's lined up. Because before there was a gap here, but now there's no gap. So yeah, now all I gotta do is just wait for the headlights to come in. And then obviously we got some new fog lights as well. So headlights and fog lights come at the same time. We get that ready, and then fix the fenders. Yeah, I'm gonna get wide front fenders. And then we're gonna get them painted Velocity Blue. So I'm gonna debadge the 5.0s. I'm gonna take that out. Less work. So yeah, we're just gonna widen up these fenders so they can compensate for this angle. Yeah, guys, car's coming together. It's aligned. It's ready to slide, man. It's ready to slide. I can't wait. Y'all gonna see, YouTube is gonna see the slide video first. I have to give it to YouTube, and then Instagram will see it later. Yes. Got subscribe. But thank you for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna fix this handbrake in another video, but that one might be just a short video, just to, you know. But yeah, probably a short bonus video. Yeah. Peace.